God's own state is the acronym that Abia is known for. A land of milk and honey, yet the people are dying of starvation. Workers have not been paid. Pensioners have not been paid. Gratuities of retirees have not been paid. Businesses are closed. Roads are not built. Hospitals are dead traps. Nothing is working in Abia State. But the successive leaders, especially the current leader in the state, is growing fatter and fatter, jogging around the world, celebrating mediocrity while the people and his state are suffering. This is why the people need Obi Freedom Train, and he has answered their call. Our silent moment for today goes to this woman. She prayed and prayed and prayed that Abia shall be free. Abians, take back your state. Obi's message is simple. Abia will be reset. Abia shall be rebuilt. Shops will open. Workers will be paid. Pensioners will be paid. Hospitals will no longer be a death trap. But he cannot do it without you. A few cannot strangle the majority without your help, because the oppressor can never succeed without the help of the oppressed. 2023 is around the corner. If you wish for this woman's cries, for her prayers to be answered, you must take back your state. Abians, take back your state. Take back your state. Take back your state. Nigeria, take back Nigeria. Take back your country. I am running for president. You are running for president. And we are running for president. Regardless of how they try to stop the train, an idea whose time has come, not even a battalion of soldiers will stop it. One day, Nigeria shall be free, and the time is now. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. See something, say something, and please do something. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment in the comment section. This is CRIES, the Ghost in Open Whispers. Until we meet again in the arena, take back your country. We shall be free. Thank you.